I'm Dr. Snehal Patel, and we'll be discussing the newborn care with you. So once the newborn baby has been delivered, parents have some anxiety how to take care of the babies and how to handle the concerns. So we are coming up with a newborn series with a neonatologist, and there I'll be discussing topics how to bed the baby, how to position the baby, how to take care of the cot of the baby, and what are the concerns when you need to immediately see a doctor. So let us start with an immediate newborn care. So as soon as the baby delivers, first of all, when the baby delivers, we cut the cord, neonatologist examine the baby, and after a thorough examination and certain screening procedures, the baby has been handed over to the mother. We do give a skin-to-skin contact sometimes when the baby is absolutely stable. So what happens with a skin-to-skin contact? It increases the bonding between mother and the baby. The baby's active movements will stimulate the feeding of the mother, and because of an attachment of the baby, the hormone oxytocin has been released, and that will help the placental expulsion of the mother, and that will reduce the chance of the bleeding to the mother. So the skin-to-skin handling or skin-to-skin movement has been, now most favorite, and then we are going ahead with the same. After screening the baby, when we hand over the baby to the mother, the parents are usually concerned at what temperature we should keep the baby. Should we keep the AC on or off? So, dear parents, for baby, the average temperature which you can maintain is around 25 to 26 or 28 degrees centigrade. And what you should do is, you should take care of the peripheries and the head, because the small baby has a large surface area compared to the weight. So, if you take care of those aspects, then the babies will gain the weight faster and will not get, the hands and legs which will turn blue if it is not being taken care of properly. So you have to ensure that cap and mitten should always be on. One layer of cloth and one swaddling is enough. You do not need to overwrap the baby. If mother is comfortable, you can keep the AC on between 25 to 27 degrees centigrade, and you can start feeding the baby as soon as possible. So latching is actually when the baby has been delivered, within 30 minutes the baby is very active. So when the baby comes to you, I would advise that take an advantage of that activeness and then feed the baby. Because after 30 minutes or 1 hour, the baby might get exhausted because of the birth process and will be sleeping. So during the active phase, if you try latching on, the latching will established properly. The third thing, parents are always concerned that, now the baby has been delivered, when to bed the baby. So you do not need to immediately bed the baby. The baby should be bed once the umbilical cord fallen off. That usually happens on a 6th or 7th day of life. Till then, you can do a sponging of the baby, and you can do the massage and moisturizer, whatever you want to apply to the baby, but not a powder, right? Then, when to, once the baby, initially baby has been delivered and the baby doesn't pass urine in next 24 hours, so don't worry. For upper limit for passing urine for the baby is 48 hours, so relax. And if the baby doesn't pass stool within 24 hours, then it's a matter of concern. But otherwise, if the baby passes stool within 24 hours, just relax. Okay? So these are the immediate newborn care tips. We will continue with this series with a different topic further.